So in this video, I'm going to talk about basics of software testing, what is software testing, why software testing is important, and what you need to become an expert in software testing. Please watch this video till the end to know all the different software testing techniques and what you need to learn. Channel QATutorials to view the latest videos I post, and click on the bell icon to get latest notifications of videos I post. So let's get started. So what is software testing, right? So basically software testing can be stated as process of verifying and validating that software application is bug-free, meets the technical requirements as guided by its design and development, and meets user requirements effectively and efficiently with handling all the exceptional and boundary cases, right? So in short, the software testing basically is the process of verifying and validating a software or application bug-free, and it also meets the software requirements, and the main purpose is to handle all the exceptional and boundary cases, right? So basically the software testing aim is not only finding faults in existing software, but also finding measures to improve software in terms of efficiency, accuracy, and usability, right? So it's basically not only finding faults, but so you should be able to improve the software in terms of efficiency, accuracy, and usability, right? How easy it is easy to use, right? How to improve the software performance, how to make sure the application results are consistent number of times, things like that, right? So basically it's going to measure the specification, functionality, and performance of a software program, right? So most of the people think software testing is just functionality testing, but it's functionality, performance, and also meeting the requirements. That is important in software testing. So software testing can be divided into two steps: verification and validation, right? So what is verification? Verification is, it refers to a set of tasks that ensure that software correctly implements a specific function, right? So it works. It implements a specific function. Validation is, it refers to a different set of tasks that ensure that software has been built in a is traceable to customer requirements, right? So it's meeting customer requirements, right? Say if there is a particular requirement, it should met in the process of validation. So in short, so if you say verification, are we building the product right? Are we doing it right? So validation is, are we building the right product? So right product in the sense what customer wants, right? So that is the right product. So based on the customer requirement, we are building the product. That's called right product. And are we building the product right? That is verification, right? That means, so whatever the specification says, are we building as per the specifications requirement, right? So verification is building the product right, and validation is testing the product, whether it is meeting the requirements or not, right? So why, what are the different types of software testing, right? So there is a manual testing where you basically create your test cases and perform the testing part. So manual testing, there's the different phases like unit testing, integration, system testing, and user acceptance testing. So this actually involves test plans, test cases, and test scenarios to test a software for completeness. Then we have like automation testing. So automation testing is basically automate the scenarios using some scripts, some programming, using some automation tools like Selenium, QTP, or APM for mobile automation, and things like that. So you can do like regression testing and automation testing using this automation tools, right? So basically it will enable quick testing of applications and automatic testing of applications to reduce the execution time, right? So basically automation testing is used to test the application for load, performance and stress point of view, right? If you have to test for performance, load and stress testing, automation testing is important. Also it ensures the test coverage, improves accuracy and saves time and money in comparison to manual testing, right? So there are two career paths, manual testing or automation testing. So if you are getting started, you can start with manual testing and later on you can move to automation testing, right? So we have like what are the different testing techniques of for used in software testing. So software testing has like BlackBox and Whitebox. So most of them probably familiar with it. So BlackBox is basically tester does not have access to source code and conduct the test, right? Whitebox is testing technique where tester is aware of internal working of the product and have access to source code and will make sure that testing the different flow in the code, right? So these are some differences in the BlackBox and Whitebox. The BlackBox internal working of an application not required, and also known as closed box or data-driven testing. So it's basically end users, testers, and developers. This is only a trial and error method, right? So Whitebox is knowledge of internal working is a must, also known as clear box or structural testing, normally done by testers and developers. Data domains and internal boundaries can be easily tested. That is, then there is a different levels of software testing, right? So unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. So unit testing is basically where individual units or components are tested, mostly probably be done by developers. So integration testing is testing the process where individual units are combined and tested as a group, right? So the purpose of this level of testing is to expose faults in the interaction between integrated units, right? Then the system testing, right? System testing is where a complete integrated system or software is tested. So this purpose is to test systems compliance with specific requirements, right? So understand these differences, right? The acceptance testing, a level of software testing process where a system tested for acceptability, right? This purpose is to evaluate systems compliance with business requirement and assess whether it is acceptable for delivery, right? So these are some of the basic things in software testing, and software testing is very broad topic, and so a lot of components are involved in software testing. So once you understand these basics, it's easy to build your software testing career, right? So this is introduction to software testing. So if you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel QATutorials to get view latest videos I post in the channel, and share this video to your friends to pass on these benefits to your friends.